Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Windows cannot access the specified device, path, or file error while launching Rainbow Six Siege. Let's start with the first fix. Right-click on Rainbow Six Siege and open Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Browse to open the game folder. Scroll down and find the rainbow6.exe file. Right-click on it, open Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. If Run this program as administrator is enabled, uncheck it. Click Apply and OK, then launch the game directly using the exe file. If the game still does not launch, go back to the same Compatibility tab and enable Run as administrator this time. Click Apply and OK. Now open the BattlEye folder inside the game directory. Right-click uninstall _BattlEye.bat and run it as administrator. Once BattlEye is removed, right-click install _BattlEye.bat and run it as administrator to reinstall it. After that, relaunch the game. If the issue still continues, delete the BattlEye folder completely. Then go back to Game Properties and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will reinstall missing or corrupted files and fix the error. As a last workaround, try launching the game while connected to a VPN. You can use ProtonVPN, which is free. That's it, friends. If this video helped you, please subscribe and turn on notifications for more fixes like this. Thanks for watching.
Rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives, you create thoughts, never waste time. You got one shot.